Now we are on part 4 of our digital marketing journey, and let's continue talking about digital marketing for today's video. Welcome to today's lecture, where we will be discussing the various marketing channels that are available in the digital realm. We'll be piecing together a comprehensive digital marketing course for you. But before we dive in, let's first explore what digital marketing truly entails. Essentially, digital marketing is a vast field that encompasses a wide range of areas. In essence, digital marketing involves promoting products and services in a digital format, as opposed to traditional marketing methods such as billboards, newspapers, or television ads. In today's digital age, there are endless opportunities for applying digital marketing. Electronic devices, particularly mobile devices, are an excellent medium for implementing digital marketing strategies. With mobile devices, you can create engaging and interactive apps, run effective mobile advertising campaigns, and communicate with your target audience through messaging apps such as WhatsApp. There are various venues available for people to obtain information, one of which is search engines. A lot of people start their research by using search engines. Social media platforms are also a popular source of information, ranging from tweeting to blogging and social sharing to social content. Digital marketing also includes traditional methods such as email marketing, where different email platforms can be used to send out targeted messages about products, services, or messages to a large number of people. This has a lot of benefits, such as providing various metrics that are easily accessible due to the nature of digital platforms. Whenever a message is sent out via email or posted on social media, it generates data that can be analyzed to evaluate its performance. By analyzing this data, it becomes possible to determine how effective the message was, and if necessary, make improvements to optimize future performance. This process of analyzing and improving is known as optimization, and it allows marketers to refine their strategies to better target their intended audience and achieve their goals. Indeed, one of the key advantages of digital marketing is the ability to gather data quickly and use it to make real-time optimizations. Additionally, digital marketing offers the ability to provide personalized user experience by tailoring messages to specific target audiences. By leveraging the data available on platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook, marketers can develop messaging that resonates with their target audience, leading to more successful campaigns and better overall results. Another significant advantage of digital marketing is the ability to reach a global audience quickly and cost-effectively, which is not possible with traditional forms of marketing. By running a digital campaign, businesses can target specific regions or countries, including places like India, Nepal, or Pakistan, and receive real-time data to optimize their messaging. With the ability to fine-tune their campaigns based on data analysis, businesses can effectively engage with their target audience, no matter where they are located in the world. This global reach is a powerful tool for businesses looking to expand their reach and grow their customer base. Absolutely. There are numerous additional benefits of digital marketing, including its cost-effectiveness when compared to traditional marketing methods. For example, purchasing advertising on TV or radio requires picking a specific spot, program, and time slot, which can be expensive and may not even effectively reach the intended audience. In contrast, digital marketing enables businesses to target their audience with precision and at a fraction of the cost. By using data-driven insights, marketers can effectively reach their target audience and achieve better results with a smaller budget, making digital marketing an attractive option for business of all sizes. Buying time slots for traditional advertising methods can be both expensive and competitive. On the other hand, the digital advertising provides alternative and cost-effective options, such as cost per click or cost per impression models. Using these models, businesses can participate in an auction-style competition where they can bid on advertising space and control their spending to potentially obtain a prime spot in front of their target audience. This approach enables businesses to achieve significant ROI with only small investments. For example, if your cost per click is just 10 cents and you're selling a product for $10, just one click and one sale could yield a substantial profit. Digital marketing allows businesses to track and analyze their return on investment and adjust their campaigns accordingly to improve results. Additionally, digital marketing enables businesses to target specific users based on their actions and preferences, Platforms like Google Ads provide various targeting options such as demographics, topics, interests, retargeting, and segmentation by age and gender on the display network. This targeting ability allows for a more precise and effective marketing strategy. With digital marketing, you have a plethora of options available to precisely target your desired audience. One of those options is remarketing, which involves setting up a campaign to reach out to people who have visited your website but did not make a purchase. You can retarget this group of people with customized messaging to entice them to return and complete their purchase. Alternatively, you could use remarketing to engage with them via email or social media. This is just one of many ways digital marketing can help you reach your audience and achieve your business goals. This is a very powerful tool that can help you reach your target audience by tailoring your approach to their actions and preferences. But it's not just about making sales. Digital marketing can also help build your brand and reputation. Take Google Ads for example. By choosing the display network, you can showcase your brand to a wide audience and create buzz around your business. This is particularly useful when you're just starting out and need to get your name out there. So whether you're selling products or trying to build brand recognition, digital marketing can help you achieve your goals. With this effective approach, you have the opportunity to interact with your intended audience and build a connection with them. This not only helps you stay relevant but also competitive in the market. By leveraging tools such as banner ads, videos, and text ads on platforms like Google Ads, you can effectively establish brand awareness and reach your target audience. It's an excellent way to showcase your business to potential customers who might be interested in what you have to offer. So, take advantage of digital marketing to engage with your audience and establish a strong online presence. An excellent example of an interactive digital marketing is YouTube. It is not just a search engine for videos, but a platform for sharing videos as well. When you upload a video, you can entice your audience to like, comment, and share it, and you can interact with them by responding to their comments or creating a playlist of related videos. The best part is that you can apply this level of interaction across multiple platforms, whether it's through blogging, live chat on your website, or responding comments on social media. This level of interactivity allows you to engage with your audience and build a stronger connection with them, ultimately leading to greater success for your business. Also, you should know that digital marketing opens up a variety of ways to engage with your audience. YouTube is a great example as it provides a platform for you to share videos, receive comments, likes, and shares. You can interact with your audience by responding to their comments, creating playlists, or offering more videos. Similarly, you can engage with your audience through other channels such as blogs, social media platforms, and websites with live chat. In fact, there are many different types of digital marketing channels available, and we will be discussing some of them today. Alright, let's begin with something crucial: search engine optimization. You might have heard of it, but in case you haven't, it's all about making your website more visible to search engines like Google. As we all know, Google dominates the search engine market in the United States, and countless people rely on it every day to find what they're looking for. This is where optimization comes in. We want to make sure our site is at the top of Google search results for those important keywords that everyone is searching for. So, let's get to work and make sure our website is optimized to the max. So, you may be wondering, why bother optimizing our site for those highly sought after keywords? The answer is simple. Lots of people use search engines to find what they're looking for online. By appearing at the top of search results for those specific keywords, we can attract a steady flow of organic traffic to our website. As a general rule, the higher our site ranks on those search engine results pages, the more traffic we're likely to get. So let's make sure we're doing everything we can to boost our search engine rankings and attract more visitors to our site. So, how do we actually go about optimizing our site to make it more attractive to Google? There are two key strategies: on-page SEO and off-page SEO. On-page optimization involves everything we can do on our own website to make it more relevant to search engines. This might include optimizing our content with targeted keywords, ensuring our site is easy to navigate, and making sure our pages load quickly. Off-page optimization, on the other hand, involves strategies that take place outside of our website, such as building high-quality backlinks to our site from other reputable websites. By using both of these approaches in tandem, we can maximize our chances of ranking highly in search results and driving more traffic to our site. Let me give you an example of how we can improve our site's visibility on Google by publishing our content on other reputable platforms. This can attract backlinks to our site and increase our overall online presence. Remember, SEO is a two-part process that involves both on-page and off-page optimization. We need to optimize our website and domain by making sure our content and structure are relevant and user-friendly. At the same time, we also need to focus on off-page strategies such as content distribution to ensure that our website is seen as relevant and authoritative in the eyes of Google. Let's dive into SEO, which involves optimizing your website to make it more appealing to Google. This includes tweaking contents, code, headers, descriptions, tags, and internal linking. You can also improve user experience by ensuring fast loading and easy navigation. For on-page SEO, prioritize unique, keyword-rich titles up to 65 characters long. Also, craft a compelling meta description that accurately reflects your content to boost click-through rates from search results. Boost your organic search rankings by optimizing your title tag and meta description. Your title tag should clearly state what you offer and catch the searcher's attention, while your meta description should provide a concise summary that encourages clicks to your website. This can help attract potential customers and improve your visibility in search results. And that ends a part of our discussion about digital marketing. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you like it, please subscribe and click the like button. Also, turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for part 5.